everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn, and my channel's name is My Randomly Organized Life, because just like life, it's totally random, and I'm just trying to keep mine organized. You will notice I'm in a different area of my house. This is actually my craft room, so you'll see I have this shoe organizer on the back of the door for like spray paints, and then I have vinyl up above that's like color coordinated and everything. So you'll see that here. Just the lighting was just a little bit better in here today. It's a very rainy day, so this room pretty much had the best light. Usually I film in like my kitchen or spare bedroom, but the light was just not very good in there. It wasn't very bright or anything. And it's still not all that bright in here. I just have different lamps in here as well. So what I'm using is pretty bright. So it's actually worked out a little bit better. So just ignore the busier background. Eventually I do want to put a curtain right here as like a closet, and this organizer is in the closet. I want to put like a white curtain over there, and maybe I could use that as a background while I'm filming videos. But we'll have to do that another time. So, but today I wanted to share with you what I got in my FabFitFun box for spring. And the box itself is super cute. I love the bright, like really fun colors and everything. So really love the box. And I love these boxes because they're nice and big and they're actually pretty durable. And I still have all my other boxes, but I can use them for organization, or give them to the girls, and they can put like paper and crayons and markers and stuff in there, kind of keep it together, and then they could close it and use the top as like a little mini desk to color with. So I just like to keep the boxes. But then another thing that comes in each box is like a little magazine pamphlet thing, and it always goes through in detail and explains everything that you get in your box, the price for retail price and everything, so you can see all that in there. And then there's other articles in here, just more in-depth things about, you know, the creators behind each of the products, and just more information about the products themselves, like how to use them, all that kind of stuff. So I really like getting this little pamphlet in each box because it's really helpful. And as I go through and share everything with you, I'll put on the screen here the price, the retail price of everything, so that you kind of get an idea. And then at the end, I can just give a grand total of what the whole price of the box was, because I think they're typically $50 or $45 or $50 per box. I can't remember exactly what I paid because I paid an annual subscription, so I did get a little bit of a discount with that. So I'll have to factor that in. But I think the most they would be with any discount or anything like that is $50. And usually there's well over $300 worth of things in there. The range... Well, actually, this one has a little bit less than normal. The range they have is $226 to $314, but still, for $50 max per box, that's a pretty good deal because you are getting full-size products and everything. Okay, so let's jump right on in, and I'll show you what I got in my box. So first up is this super cute backpack purse. It's a black leather, and then the canvas, like a cream color, and then it's got the straps in the back. And this one is the brand, it's the, is it Deluxe Demi Backpack? Here, I'll show you what the little pamphlet says right there in the middle, and it retails for $75. So I'll be honest, I would never spend $75 for a backpack purse. That's just me. I just wouldn't. I'm sure there's some people that would. I mean, it's a super cute backpack. And then the clasp in the front, at first I thought it was going to be magnetic, but it's just a little metal ball, and then you pick it off here. Just kind of like a belt almost. And then on the inside, it's just solid black on the inside, and on the sides it has these snaps so that you can either cinch it in or make it bigger. But on the inside, like I said, it's just black, and there's only one pocket on the inside, just right here. I was kind of hoping for a zipper on the inside, but I also could use some other like zipper pouches. I have a ton of Ipsy bags that I've gotten over the years, so I can always use those in there to kind of keep things categorized, you know, like chapsticks or whatever. Anything that you keep in your bag, you could just like put it in little zipper pouches and kind of keep it organized that way, since there's no pockets really on the inside other than that one. So the next thing that I got are these sunglasses, and they retail for $55. So here's what the sunglasses look like. They're just black, dark shades, and then the sides here. Try them on. So I actually really like these. They're a good size, I feel like at least for me. I don't feel like they're super big, but they're big enough. I like that they somewhat cover my eyebrows. I don't like sunglasses that are too low and don't cover my eyebrows. And then as far as the tint goes, I think they're definitely dark enough. So I'll definitely be using these when the summer comes and in the spring on those bright sunny days for sure. And it came with this cute little pouch that is magnetic here to store them in. So that's really cute. It's not a super protective pouch just because it's not very sturdy. It's more just like protecting it from getting scratched. But so you would definitely want to be careful with these and not actually like step on them or set them down and set something else on top of them or whatever. But just know that this case is not super durable, but it would help with it getting scratched and stuff. So the next item was a mystery item. So you could have picked from some like rose gold or copper measuring spoons, or this body lotion, or a mystery item. I didn't need the measuring spoons, and I have a ton of lotion already, so I went ahead and picked the mystery item. And for that, I got this lip here. Let's see if it'll focus. I don't think I've ever tried this brand before. It's a super bright color, so I'm not sure if I'll end up liking it or not. Oh, it doesn't look that bright when I take it out. So here's what the packaging looks like. And I'll open it up here. So there's the tip. It is pretty bright. But I'll swatch it here. Ooh, it's really soft. It's very bright. Maybe it won't be as bright on my lip. We'll have to try it. But it's, you can twist it up and everything. It almost looks like a bright pink crayon, to be honest. But it is, ooh, that was cool. Sorry, squirrel, but watch. It's magnetic. So that's really cool, because then your lid doesn't fall off in your bag or anything like that. So that's really nice. I do appreciate small things like that from companies that make, you know, the product and the packaging really useful for a consumer. So I really like that part about it. And I also like the bottom of the lip. I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of like a milky pink, kind of like an opaque-ish color, I guess. But yeah, so I'll be interested to try this out. If I don't, I'll probably end up giving it to my sister because she likes bright lips. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this water bottle. And I don't think you got to pick the color. I can't remember. Because in the little magazine here, it shows green. So I'm thinking you just got whatever color that they gave you. But these retail for $20. So I'll take it off of here and show you. So here's what the cap looks like. And then it's like the stainless steel. Then you just twist this cap on. So it says, oh, so you can fill it with hot or cold liquids. Let's see. Oh yeah, it does say colors will be randomly selected, so that's cool. But I love getting water bottles like this. These would be perfect to travel with, or to take to the ballpark, or to anything really. And I like that it's kind of skinny so that it kind of fits in a bag easier than like the bigger water bottles. So I'm really interested to try this out, especially this summer. I think this will definitely come in handy. Okay, so the next thing I got is this Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. I've tried a couple other things from the Tula brand. It's not focusing for you guys. And I've liked everything that I've tried, but I've never tried their face cleanser, so I'll be interested to try that out. It's a gel-based cleanser that removes dirt, impurities, and makeup gently and effectively. It helps balance your skin and clear it up and prep your skin for skincare. It says use morning and night, massage onto wet skin, and rinse with water. So just a typical face cleanser, but I'm definitely interested in trying this out. Like I said, I've used their brand before. Sorry, that was really loud. I was gonna smell it. But I've used their brand before, but I've never used this product in particular. Oh, it smells really soft and clean. Not super crazy or anything like that, but I definitely like the smell, so that'll be nice. Okay, so the last few items I have are something that every FabFitFun box came with. So this one is a leave-in conditioner. And I've never used this kind before. So it'll focus okay for you guys. There's a huge glare, I'm sorry. But so this one retails for $26. Oh, I should have said this Tula face wash retails for $28. So this one retails for $26. Just trying to read it here. It doesn't say anything as far as being for a specific hair type. It's just kind of a normal leave-in conditioner, but it, you know, works all day to smooth and soften and detangle hair with moisturizing properties that enhance enhanced heat protection. So that's kind of nice, especially if you're someone who uses a lot of heat products on your hair, like, you know, blow drying your hair, straightening it, curling it, whatever. So that's kind of nice. It has some of that in here as well to help protect your hair. And I'll open it up and smell it here. It's very well packaged. I don't even know if I could get it off. I don't see any perforation. Oh, there it is. Ooh, it smells really good. It's really thick. This might not be good for my hair. It's kind of florally smelling a little bit. Is that even a word? Florally? So I'll be interested to try this because it is very thick. I'm not used to using a super thick leave-in conditioner, and my hair gets greasy really easy. Like literally I probably have to wash my hair almost every day. And dry shampoo sometimes works. I just don't honestly really like the texture it gives my hair. It just, for me, it makes it feel dirtier, I guess. I don't know. I'll have to try it and see if I like it. Again, if I don't end up liking it, I have my sister or friends that I could definitely give it to and they could try it out. The next thing, okay, so the next thing I got in here is from the brand Dr. Brandt, which I love that brand. It is a no more baggage eye depuffing gel. So I'm definitely interested in trying this out because I feel like I always have bags under my eyes. So I'll definitely have to try this. I'm assuming you just use it like a normal eye gel. But yeah, so I'll have to try that out. And then that's just what the tip looks like. It's super small so that you don't use a ton of it, because I'm assuming you don't need a lot since you're only putting it, you know, right here where there's not a lot of skin surface there. So. The next item here is a body scrub, and it's a champagne charcoal scrub. So this is what the packaging looks like. I really like the packaging. It's really heavy. But then the top is just rose gold. And then it's sealed. And I'm not going to open this up, I don't think. I really don't like to open things like this until I'm ready to use them. Just because I don't want them to go bad or anything like that. But it's just a typical body scrub. It removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this out. I'll definitely have to do a bath or something. I've never used one of these in the shower. I don't know. I feel like this is something you definitely use in a bath instead of using it in the shower. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Have you ever used body scrubs in the shower? I'd love to know. Comment below. I'd be interested to know how everyone does body scrubs, because I don't honestly use them a ton, but for me, I feel like I'd use it in the bathtub versus a shower. So yeah. So the last thing I have was actually an add-on. You can, when you go through and customize your box, you can make your selections, and then if there's one that you wanted 2 of, you could just pay an extra $10 and get 2 in the same category. So like, for the example I have is this first category. There were these 3 options to pick from, and I picked this one, and then I added this one on for an extra $10. So this is a meditation aromatherapy diffuser. So I'm not really sure exactly how it works, but here's what it comes with. I have other diffusers that I've used before, so I mean, I know how to use a diffuser, but I'm not sure I know how, like, meditation to me feels like it should play music or something. I don't know. But this is what it looks like here. It's already falling apart because I messed it up. But it kind of looks just like a little egg almost, but it's just white, which I like because it would match a lot of things. And then it has your, you know, part where you put the water and your essential oils, and then the little topper here. I don't know if there's a special way to put that in. But yeah, so you just do that like normal. Gotta line that top up. And then it also comes with an essential oil called Happy, and it has a picture of an orange on it. So I'm assuming it's citrus, which I love citrus smelling things. So I'm really interested to try this out. I think it would definitely help in the spring and summertime, just like getting that fresh smell in your house and give you some energy and stuff. So definitely interested in trying this one out. All right, you guys, that is everything from my FabFitFun box for the spring box, and I'm really loving everything that I got. I'm super excited to try some new products out. If you have FabFitFun, I'd love to know which items you picked and which ones that you got and everything. So comment below. I'd love to know and hear what you think about the products. So definitely leave those comments down there. And if you liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up before you go, and subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell notification so you know when I upload new videos. And that is it, you guys. See you next time. Bye.